It's hard to believe, but we are celebrating the 20th anniversary of the Oklahoma Proven program. This program was started as a marketing and also a plant evaluation program to help Oklahomans choose the best plants for their home gardens. Plants are selected for their many attributes, but especially those that are well adapted to the varied environmental conditions that we know Oklahoma has. Now, they also are selected off of wildlife attributes. Some of them are drought tolerant, and many of them are native plants as well. In celebrating the 20th anniversary of the Oklahoma Proven program, you're going to see us highlight several of these plants that have been selected over the past 20 years this season on Oklahoma Gardening. To kick it off, we're going to look at Ilex decidua. This beautiful deciduous holly behind me here has beautiful berries that persist throughout the winter months, but are also an attraction for wildlife. If you purchase a cultivar called Warren's Red, then that ensures that you're buying a female plant. You still will need to have a male plant in order to pollinate it to get these beautiful berries. Now, Ilex decidua gets to be about 8 to 12 feet tall. It is a native to Oklahoma, and it handles poorly drained soils as well as drought conditions and our Oklahoma heat.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.